starting.
Step 1, turn off the air conditioner. There you go. Step 2, place your hand underneath the handle. Pull out to open the door. Step 3, find the water tank handle. Step 4, slowly pull the water tank out. Step 5, walk to the kitchen where you will find a sink. Once you find that sink, you will unplug the plug on the water tank. You will then very carefully pour the water out. Look at all of that water. Step 6, replug the hole in the water tank. Step 7, carefully replace the water tank. Step 8, close the door. Step 9, turn that bad boy back on.